Hello and welcome. This is Chili Cube, and I am coming with something a little bit different than the acrylic pouring. It's still a little art project, but something a little bit different. I have that lovely canvas that came already black, gessoed, so it's, pre-coated black. And what I'm doing to prep my canvas is I'm using my global keep it simple pouring medium, but I'm not diluting it. I'm just pouring it on the canvas to coat it in readiness for my galaxy effect.
Is it maybe because I never knew quite where I was, then suddenly you told me, baby, you're lost, but I am too. Whatever the cost, we'll make it through. Tell me you're the one for me now, 'cause what am I supposed to...
So the canvas is all coated nicely now, and what I'm going to do is add this galaxy glitter. So it was something that was sent to me by the online store Capriel Shabby Chic quite a long time ago, but it's been sitting on my shelf and I've used it in a few products, a few creations should I say. But I thought, what better to add it to this black canvas. It's going to really, be effective because it's sort of black and silver, and they're quite really light, but really lovely, lovely effect from them. So I'm adding it to my canvas now, and then I will allow my canvas to fully dry, and then I'll come back tomorrow.
If you are not the one for me, then tell me now what I could do. Tell me you're the one for me now. I pray that you believe it too. That you're the only one for me, and I'm the only one for you.
So it is the next day. That canvas is all fully dry now, and what I'm doing is I'm just using a bit of my masking tape to help stick this stencil that I'm going to use, the feather stencil, in place. But as you see, it dried with a really lovely shine on it because I used my pouring medium to basically adhere that lovely glitter to my canvas. It's dried really flat and with a lovely shine on the back. So part of the job is already done there now. So it's just for this stencil, and I'm going to use some soft moulding paste or texture paste to do a few of those feathers on my galaxy background. So it's something different, and I found it really enjoyable and interesting. So I hope that you guys give it a go. You can do it with your children, probably not really young children, but certainly teenage children or above 9 or 10, I guess, would really love doing this project because you can get a little bit messy, but taking it nice and slow, it's very enjoyable.
Open air, side by side we sway there in all the colors. Summer love.
So just using that little spatula there, and I'm putting quite thick coating on the texture paste because when I do pull the stencil off, I really want the stencil to stand out, for the texture to actually stand out off the canvas, not be really flat and lifeless. I want it to kind of bounce out off the canvas. But as soon as I get the stencil off, love you guys to let me know what you think, whether to, I mean, I did leave just the stencil texture paste white because I had those silver background in the galaxy effect, but I think that it would probably be a lovely idea to add that stencil with colour, you know, in the texture paste. So let me know what you think when all is revealed. Oh, wow. I don't know if it was putting that background the way I did with my pouring medium on the background, but it really made my textured effect like really adhere well and come out really defined. I quite often find if I use a stencil that it can be quite messy when you pull it up and not so defined, but this worked absolutely gorgeous. I wanted to stencil all over it, but I think that's so effective. So what do you guys think? I'm leaving this one white, but what do you think in future, colouring that stencil, or you know, different stencils I could do with the texture? Let me know what you think. Look how lovely it looks as a wall art. It's sort of definitely, you know, just having the two colours is very lovely, and it suits anybody that likes that kind of monochromatic look. But I was just so excited with this. It turned out beautiful. Hope you think so. Let me know. Okay, bye for now, my lovelies. I will see you again tomorrow.